Hello and welcome to this introduction video about the GAIA Online Challenge. The GAIA Challenge is a gamified platform for students and teachers to engage in a playful way with educational content in the context of their school building. It was developed by Ovos for the EU project GAIA. On the landing page, visitors get a general overview about the GAIA Challenge and the three pillars the challenge's concept is based on: knowledge, action, and community. Via the Join Now button, the visitor can create a new user account. The form requires a username, a password, and a class. The email address field, however, is optional and can be left empty. The class list is predefined. Parents or other users who are not students of a participating school can select No class. I will create a user now. I will select the class and I need to fill in the security code. Let's register. When the user logs in the first time, he or she are welcomed by a help overlay. We are now in the so-called quest map view. The quest map shows the progress of a virtual journey through the GAIA challenge. It is divided into 5 chapters: introduction, heating, transportation, electricity, and collaborative use of resources. During the trial phase, however, only the first chapter, introduction, is available. On the top, I can see my user profile avatar, my scored points, and my topic progress as a percentile value. In the top right corner, there is a menu where I can switch between my community view, my quest map view. I can edit my profile, I can open a help overlay, I can read about this challenge, or I can log out. At the very bottom of the quest map view, there is my activity log, where I can follow all my recent activities. For example, about a minute ago, I registered for the GAIA challenge. The introduction chapter holds a couple of quests for us to play. You can go ahead and start right away. Let's play appliances. The first task is a multiple choice task. So here we have the title of the task, a description, the actual task question, and we have 5 answer possibilities. So here I can take 1, 2, let's take those 2, and check if the answer is correct. As a user, I get immediate feedback on my selected answers. At the bottom of the task, now the solution text appears. So apparently my given answers are correct, and here I can read about the actual solution. Let's continue to the next task. This task is an image drag and drop task. So here I have to label the chart correctly. Let's see. Again, all answers were correct. Let's continue to the next task. This task again is a multiple choice task, but it has an image. Same chart again. One out of 2 correct answers. This task is a calculation task, so I have to move the slider to the correct value. And again, the solution text. This is the results screen. Here I get, again, feedback on the tasks I just played. We can see 3 out of 4 tasks were completely correct, and one task, I scored 50% of the scores for this task. So altogether, I correctly solved 75% of the tasks. And I got 600 points. Here again, I can see I scored 600 out of 650 points. If I want, I can restart the task and play it again to improve my score. On the top view, I can see I already finished 20% of the first chapter and I scored 600 points. The more the user engages with the quest content, the more of the quest map actually gets revealed. For example, we just finished the first quest, Appliances, of the topic introduction. And now the top left corner of the quest map, which was previously hidden by clouds, is now visible. Here we can see I just finished all 5 quests of this topic and the whole area for this topic is revealed. The quest map not just holds nice illustrations, but also some cute animations. As all new users are by default female, maybe let's just update our personal data. I go in the top right menu and I select My Profile. In this view, I can update my personal data. For example, I can fill in my name. I can select my gender and I can fill in a birth date. Please note that all those fields are optional and are not required to be filled out by the user. Let's hit save. And we can see our changes have been saved successfully. If I want to, I can also upload a custom picture for my avatar. There are also additional forms for changing the password and updating the email address. In this view, I can also delete my account entirely. By clicking on the X, I go back to the last view, which is the quest map overview. Thank you for watching this video about the challenge prototype for the GAIA EU project.